I'm going to demo to you how I generate content for the whole week. This video was recorded on Sunday, on the 15th of February. This is how I actually create content for the whole week so that during my 9 to 5 job, I can focus all out, but my content keep on automatically posting on social media. So what I did is that this is one of my product, which is BlastFast, which is a social media scheduler, but also it has a content generator using AI, powered by AI. So what I did is that I will put a prompt here. So I would say something like, you're an expert viral content writer for X, Twitter, and Thread. Create a short motivational caption about tech career, coding journey, and build SaaS. And I give it some example. One of my content that already successfully viral, I would say, like from what JavaScript to five startup in 1 year, and like learn to code in 3 months, landed dev job, ship 5 SaaS, and then give it some requirement, some tone, and content themes. This is basically a caption for my targeted audience, and also giving it format, and that's it. And I would like maybe let's put 50 content, and platform just leave it auto. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see how it work. All right, so it already created the content for us. So there are 50 items, 50 caption, which is based on the setting that I've did earlier. And let's see a few of that. Okay, the first one, I learned to code in 3 months, and I still work nights and weekend, ship size, blah blah blah. And then it creates something like have a similar tone. Started building because waiting felt like losing. I wasn't ready, so I shipped anyway. And it says that I started at 32 with zero experience. 4 years later, dev job, five startup. You can start late and win. Okay, let's like maybe go at the middle of the content creation. I learned to ship before I perfected UX. Early user taught the product. Early users thought the product is shape. Don't really understand that, but it's okay. I wasn't born into tech. I learned it the hard way. That hard way taught great more than privilege. Of course, so this is like more into motivational uh, content, which is I feel the readers felt more relatable. I built Indie Race. This is one of my SaaS product to celebrate messy builder. Your page is your proof. This is good. This is good, and also it also allows you. It also provide a prompt if you want to generate an image. Let's see. Let's see how good the prompt is. Let me quickly open Sora for this. Sora AI. Okay, let's say if I paste the prompt from that just now, and let's run it. Wow, it's not bad. It's not bad, but at least it's not that terrible for me, I think. Yeah. So let's get back to the caption, and then teaching helped me make money, sharing what you build. What else? I traded long tutorial for building 5 project quickly. Project teach faster than courses. You don't need permission to start a startup. You need clarity and a keyboard. Oh, that's nice. I still learn every week. The moment you stop learning is the moment growth stop. Stay curious. If you think you're behind, remember progress is a series of small wins. Start with one small win today. I think that's pretty much okay. Okay, then what I did is I go to create post, and I specifically focus on image type of content because I realize that people are more inclined to click and read your content if it's has some sort of visual. But I also realize that if you like put image an AI image, people not really want to. Uh, people felt it's an AI image. They don't appreciate. They don't have interest. They have this stigma of oh, it's AI. I don't want to read it. Something like that. So I select most of my social media that I've connected to this Blastfest, and then this is setting for Pinterest, and then what I did is that I will go to the content that I've generated, which is this one, and then I will select one of those content. Like I thought myself at a code in 3 months. Maybe this. Sorry, where is it? Oh yeah, this one. So I just copy, and then I paste, and I taught myself how to code in 3 months. It was messy, fast, and lonely, but it changed everything. So I'll just make some setup here, and I already selected my image, but I don't feel like want to use this image. I feel like the caption are more suitable with, I don't know, maybe this one. Yeah, okay, and then I'll just schedule. So today is 15. I'll schedule for tomorrow at 9 p.m. and I'll just schedule the post. And once that's done, I'll check over here that it will post this caption across all the social media tomorrow at 9 p.m. And after this video, I will continue complete for the rest of the week, just like I did before. So that's exactly how I did by using my own SaaS product, and just to show to you that you do not have to really to the extent of thinking about creating content. Just leverage this to AI. It also take your memory as one of the factor to create the best content. So this is exactly how I did it, and the result for this is that I'm able to like very easily get thousands of followers over here, and also across 1 week they will always have a content that goes viral, which is like one of the content that I will show you shortly, which is this one. If you can see here, it's like a 6002, which is not really that complex in terms of caption. It's like just an image with a empty, with a finished coffee mug or at the right side, and say something really simple. If you think you're behind, I only started at 32. I mean, if you want to know my story, you can look into my previous video, or maybe I can put it right on top here. Uh, Now I'm 36. OG son, old man now. Shit, price I've been working full time, never too late. That's it. And people love it, and it goes viral. People keep sharing because they feel relatable, and this content made without even thinking. It's just AI content generated, but it based on my personal memories and personal experience that I have already feed inside Blastfast, and basically that's it. And it's scheduled for that whole week from Monday to Saturday or Sunday, but usually I will set it up to Saturday. uh, uh, yeah, so the whole across 1 week, you do not have to put effort anymore on building or thinking content, or like waiting to become motivated. Then you will create a content. I mean, we have to understand that we do not uh, create our distribution channel on social media based on motivation, because motivation will never last. We must create a system, and this is a perfect system for me. And there are more to it that I would like to share, but as simple as it is, and maybe you can try it as well. Yeah, this is it. How I do it on a weekly basis, and it makes me not just able to earn a lot of social media, but it also redirect to my newsletter. For example, if I can show you in a bit, where at the moment I have like 311, and this is where the most important thing is, because if you understand about social media creation, you can have a lot of followers, but these followers are not are just like a bird flying across the window. But if you capture that bird and cage it somewhere, and anytime when you have a new course, a new product, when you launch it, these birds that you have caged, I mean, it sounds horrible, but I'm trying to. That is the best analogy that I could share with you guys. So when you have your active subscriber that subscribe to your newsletter, and whenever you have a new product launching, and these are followers or subscriber that already trust and try to become you, and try to that trust you and believe in your journey. So when you launch something, definitely they higher chances that they will be more inclined toward purchase or read or join your program or whatever it is that you launch. So that's it. I hope you guys learn a bit of too from here, and maybe you're not going to use my SaaS product, or at least the methods are there for you to do for your own. Maybe you create your own system, but the blueprint are the same. So that's it. Thank you very much, guys. I hope this add a lot of values to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.